We hit 21 minutes. We're good now, you're good.
Oh.
They didn't lose anything, you just fell off a thing real quick.
I need to get missiles.
Figure out where to go.
I need missiles.
Do you need missiles?
Yeah. Also, yeah, it's even freezing in gameplay now.
Yeah, that's bad.
I don't know if we'll be able to finish this game. Oh. I am in the car. I've become one. Can I hop in? Oh!
I guess you can.
Oh. You have to press A to go forward? Alright. That is... You can do that from all the way over there?
It's a little funky.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. I have never actually played around with this car before. Okay, that does hurt me. Oh.
Okay.
Greatest game of all time, people. Great again. Wrong button. This was completely my fault.
Good job.
That wasn't even the game. That was just me being dumb for a moment.
You need to use missile.
Okay. Yeah, no, to jump in, you press Y. To shoot missiles, it's R1. And to drive, you press it. You hold X.
That's weird, especially since the X and the Y button are right next to each other.
Sure, we'll go with that.
Oh, messing.
Hold on, he actually turns around! That's interesting.
Well, there is no rear view mirror in that bitch.
I didn't say there was. I just didn't expect him to turn around. Because most games are like, ah, come on. Fine, I'll destroy the lower... Come on. Okay. I have found one thing to hate about Sonic 06. It's the stupid car controls. Controls like Sonic Racing. Oh. Super Sonic Racing.
How'd you make the car jump like that?
I just hopped out, hopped back in. Yeah, it just writes itself, apparently. I don't know if that was the tower I needed to get at. I don't think so. Ah, come on. Even if I tried to stop, I would have hit the boost. Yeah, no, I have to destroy 5 searchlights.
The searchlight pillars are solid.
At least I don't fail you if you end up being detected.
To get out of here quickly.
I mean, it's almost impossible not to be detected.
How fast those searchlights go? Yeah.
You need to destroy 5 searchlights to open the door to the outside.
So you want to know something?
What?
Sega hired someone to try to fit all the Sonic games together in a timeline.
They hired somebody rather than doing it themselves? the point?
Because they knew they fucked it up so much that they wouldn't be able to do it unless someone was able to be like, look, this is how it goes. I'll put it down here. There we go. Man, you are having just a time.
Yeah, I got 2 up there. Gotta figure out how to get up there. There's that wall. Then I need to figure out... I think I can get up there from this ramp.
Well...
Yeah.
So, you know how my Trump impression was always missing something?
No.
No?
No.
I didn't just talk right.
It was perfect. Absolutely perfect.
And I looked at her and I said, wow, how perfect.
How perfect.
Yeah, no, I fixed just the last little thing about it.
And what was that?
How he spoke.
A wall.
You know, I would go on and on about the wall. Just get out of the car.
And how did that fix now? How'd that fix? How'd that fix?
Well, it fixed really amazing. In fact, I looked at her and I said, wow, how amazing. It's absolutely fantastic.
This is genuinely the first time Sonic 06 is actually boring me.
Wow. You want me to give it a crack?
One last try.
Alright.
Because, like, it's just tedious at this point.
If I didn't felt about Sonic's story.
Because at this point, it's like, just
gonna turn off the light.
Yeah.
And apparently close the door.
I told you, you're allergic to it. Can I get it from here?
My allergies.
Yes! I can get it from here.
Can you hear it? Yeah, a bit of the sniffles from closing the door.
Where is it? Where are the missiles going? Fine, I'll grab the one up here and then I'll go back for that one down there. There.
Is that the last one?
No. Still that one over there.
Over where?
Hold on, the camera's being stupid. Because the camera, when you're going backwards, the camera will pan toward to the front. Yeah, but it's over there. Look at it. Oh, come on.
Just go get another car.
I don't think it respawns until it's destroyed.
It does, I've seen it.
Yeah, I think they destroyed it.
No, there was literally 2. One while you were driving it and another while it was, like, sitting there. You need a lot of speed, my friend.
No! Hit a lip. Okay, you're trying this.
Alright.
Gosh, if it wasn't for this dang searchlight crap. Oh, there was one up here. I'm blind as hell.
Press the triangle button to get on it.
Yes. Ugh.
That's fine.
The searchlight pillars are solid. You need to destroy 5 searchlights to open the door to the outside.
tell you that square was reverse?
You didn't. That's okay. Okay, stop it.
What are you trying to do? If you're trying to hit the tower, you're not high enough. Yeah, you are nowhere near high enough. You're gonna have to actually go down there.
See that? That's fine.
Yeah, you have to go around.
Around where?
Across the gap. Across the ravine.
Oh, all the way around.
Yeah, you have to go all the way around. Yeah.
The searchlight pillars are solid.
And take a right. Oh.
Get a new buggy.
I mean, it was almost destroyed anyways, so may as well.
Alright.
You're too far. Too far.
Oh, I was turning around.
I was just saying too far because you could have you could have already turned. See, now you're stuck on this bug.
No, I'm not. Alright, you're talking about over here.
Up that slope.
See how far he flew? He's like, oh god!
Yeah, he's gone. Slow down. Yeah, the camera's awkward in the buggy.
Yes. I'm gonna go boy. Alright, so where's the last one?
That direction I tried to head?
Oh, this one, right?
Yeah, that one. Can you hit it from there? Yes, you can. Okay, that's great. Now we gotta figure out how to get out. But I think you... Oh, that was it?
There you go.
Okay, I was that close.
All you had to do was shoot it from there. Damn.
I didn't think about that until the previous one.
I didn't even mean to. I accidentally hit the button. He'll be alright.
Yeah, that level was... That was genuinely boring.
Yes, it was. That was sad.
How did you make Shadow boring? He's the superior Hoghead.
I think you are wrong.
But do you have Rouge
Look at her
the...
face. She's like...
But do you have Rouge the
Don't you
Bat?
know what this is?
Well, at one point.
My assignment was to rescue you, nothing more.
Fine. With you, it's always business.
Ooh, Sonic X.
Sonic
It seems they don't want us to
Heroes.
You know what would be cool?
Let's get this over with.
If Sonic 06 did where some levels you had 2 people.
Oh,
You could
and
do
Cerberus.
second player. We'll have fun with this one.
His audio is messed up. He's so quiet.
He is quiet.
Supersonic racing.
The doctor's guard dog. Still,
There it is. Let's come back. Hey, Cerberus. Can I just attack you head on?
No, you gotta let him run into a wall, and then you gotta rail grind on his backside or like that.
Oh. Ah, he moved.
Not quite like that.
I know, but I'm just saying, he moved.
She moves, she moves, she bangs, she bangs. That baby.
Oh, come on.
At least it didn't kill you.
Yeah, it almost did, though.
Just means you gotta be faster.
Just means I need to not miss it the first time. That's what really got me.
Or the second time.
I wanted to take down some of those spotlights. This would be funny.
Fair enough.
Not to mention, they give me more room to run when I destroy it. Super Sank Racing.
Oh boy.
What?
We're gonna play
Run
at some point the 2D recreation.
Run into the wall.
Recreation of this game.
Do I have to like run into an opposite wall?
You have to make him run into a wall.
I'm trying. He doesn't want to run into the wall.
Well, if he doesn't want to run into the wall, make him pay for it.
I could just stay out, chaos control him, but no. Apparently that's not a thing that can happen. Apparently Shadow's not strong enough. Maybe he truly is a faker. Oh, tail's down. I'm dumb. He didn't run into the wall or anything. He just kind of ran around and got tired. How does a robot dog thing get tired? You know, you think a robot couldn't get tired, but here we are with the tuckered out egg servers. Yeah, but like, hold on, let me run in. There we go.
Homer's gone. Now it's my turn.
How do I fight him?
Well, you can keep making him run into that, or you can try to do maybe a chaos control attacking.
Oh yeah, I forgot about this.
Sonic had to keep making him run. There he goes.
Super Sank Racing. There we go. What? No!
Well, that didn't do anything.
I should have so damaged him. My rings are sliding.
Well, it's gone now.
So I have to be behind him when he does that, unless I just miss it entirely.
Alright.
Run into the wall. Run into the wall. No. Will this wall suffice? No. He is very particular on which wall he wants to run into.
Yeah. Yeah, he is. Whew. Man.
How did they make a boss fight boring?
I don't know. So far, Shadow's story kinda sucks.
Run into the wall. Do it. Run into it, right here. Thank you.
It's kind of sad.
Yeah. You know, you'd think he would have the better story. Ow.
Like, you would think his story would be awesome and sick, but no.
Yeah, no,
It sucks so far. Great.
Oh! What?
He threw you up and ate you. He's like,
I'm calling BS on that one.
Get on the tail when it comes.
What was I supposed to do? Was I supposed to, like, air dash back onto him?
yeah, homing attack back on.
Back to there.
It doesn't help that Shadow feels so slow.
Come on. That's dumb. I got there literally as fast as I could.
Like, he feels so fucking slow. You know?
Yeah.
Sonic had like the
Make him crash.
amount of speed where he was like building up anyways, you know? But
Yeah.
Shadow Hedgehog just kind of feels like he just sits there at the same speed, just...
Yeah. Like, he picks up speed so quick, and then he just stays at top speed.
Like, this is his top speed, everybody.
Oh, come on. I may as well just wait. I'm not gonna get his tail.
You could try.
I could have tried, but I would have just gotten thrown off and potentially hit again. Okay, that suffices. You have to, like, turn him around super quickly. I feel like having the fixed camera like this, like, almost all the time would have been so beneficial. That really doesn't do anything. I am trying to dash to behind you. Why is he even a target you can run into? Or you can hit with like that?
I don't know. I'm starting to get...
I'm starting to get hungry.
You got food. If you want, you can pass the controller, I'll pass you the nachos. I was eating them with a fork, so, you know, my hands are still clean.
Yeah.
Do what I tell you.
Okay, you do have to dash back on. Okay, so that, for some reason I didn't have to do that the first time. You just kinda...
Will this be it? Will this be the time that you need the aid service?
It will.
I'm not Shadow.
Hit the wall. Thank you.
No, not the wall. There you go. Alright. This chair is not the comfiest, unfortunately.
No.
There's not a lot left, but there's a good amount.
Yeah.
That's mostly the beans, the meat, and the last of the chips. It is a good amount. Alright.
I guess.
Okay, I see how it is.